Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the color scheme of Zulip. You can see here that the top left corner has a different color, stream list has a different color, the middle pane has a different color, and the buddy list has a different color. And conceptually, it works like, whoops, let me find it. It works like this. Let me close that down. So I basically divide up or I emulate Zulip using 5 different main areas of the app. So it's kind of a component mindset. See left sidebar, middle panel, right sidebar. And if you go to the application that I developed there, I have a HTML file that has almost nothing in it except for an app class, and that mimics what Zulip has. And then I build out a fake version of Zulip. So I have a very simple style helper, a style panel helper, style subpanel helper, and I build up the app. I build a left sidebar. Within it, I build the shortcuts and the streams list. And then I build the middle panel and the right sidebar. Completely simple code. And then in order to do the styling here, I guess selecting's kind of not good. I have this incredibly simple API. I get the left sidebar, middle panel, and right sidebar from calling getApp. And then I style the left sidebar element with Alice Blue, the left sidebar shortcuts element with Cadet Blue, the left sidebar streams list element with blanched almond, middle panel with khaki, and right sidebar with dark sea green. And in order to implement the getApp class, I basically just use the various selectors. And Zulip's DOM is not super consistent about how they organize things. But basically all I did was go into the inspector in Zulip, and I found out that the left sidebar shortcuts are basically have an ID of global filters. Streams list has an ID of streams list. The left sidebar itself has very sensible name left sidebar. And then the middle panel, column middle inner, right sidebar has an ID of right sidebar. You notice here that this is class based and this is ID based. There's just not much consistency in the DOM. But if Zulip wanted to make life a lot more sane for their developers, it would be really easy to retrofit this getApp ID into the app itself, and that would allow them to manipulate the DOM a lot more easily. It would allow them to actually consider features like letting users have better color themes. You'll notice, of course, that I'm doing this in JavaScript and not external CSS because JavaScript is so much more manageable. You know, you just create a style helper and you create an API to traverse the DOM, and then you can set colors for things. It's like incredibly simple. So anyway, I'll go back here just to show you the final product again. You know, obviously this is a proof of concept, but you could go as deep as you want with this. And I guess the last detail that I should mention is that the way I actually accomplished this on chat.zulip.org is I use this product called Tamper Monkey. And let me see if I can find that. Yeah, so I use Tamper Monkey, and they allow you to basically attach scripts to your browser. So that this user script here that I wrote, whenever Tamper Monkey, the plugin, sees that I am going to the chat.zulip.org site, then it executes this file. And I had to do something a little goofy. I had to just set a timeout for 5 seconds before I'd start tampering with the page. I guess I'll show you that in action. Zulip takes a long time to load, but I'll show you that in action here. So it's reloading. And okay, so it's starting to load. And I'm not entirely sure when Tamper Monkey knows to hook in, but it does seem to wait because obviously more than 5 seconds have passed. And there it is. There you got it. So now you have the colors. I was going to say one more thing and I forgot what it was. Well, at any rate, that's the idea. I'm going to do another video once I flesh this out a little more. All right, thanks for listening. Bye.